Disabling two-factor authentication on your Spotify account can simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security section. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or button that allows you to disable it. Click on it and confirm your choice if prompted. Step 5. Log out and test. After disabling two-factor authentication, log out of your account and try logging back in to ensure that the feature has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your Spotify account. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.